Are you tired of getting results like this from AI? You have the perfect character and then it's totally gone in the next image. It's super frustrating. So what if I told you that in the next few minutes, I can show you how to turn that into this? All right, so here's the game plan. Google's Nano Banana is incredibly powerful, but you have to know how to talk to it. So today, I'm going to give you my 3 favorite prompt formulas. First, we're going to nail down the consistent character formula so you can reuse your creations. Then we'll build a real ad with the e-commerce formula. And finally, we'll unlock the creative control formula so you can really play director. Ready? Let's dive in. Okay, let's start with formula number 1, and it is all about solving that frustrating problem we saw at the start. Honestly, before I figured this out, I probably wasted hours trying to get the AI to generate the same face twice. But it turns out, the secret is all in how you layer the prompt. First, you're going to start with your base prompt to create your character, just like this. Now, once you have an image you love, you'll use it as the main reference. From here, you just add your changes. Let's put her in a new location. We'll add a busy Tokyo street at night, cinematic lighting, and boom, same person, different world. She's now your reusable avatar. But you can push this way further than just changing the background. You can travel through time and art styles. Let's take our same character and see what she would have looked like in a classic 1950s film black and white movie. We'll add the prompt, a vintage 1950s black and white film portrait, dramatic side lighting, high contrast. And look at that. It's undeniably the same person, but now she's the star of a classic mystery film. You can use this to adapt your character to any style you can imagine. Pretty cool, right? Now that you have your character locked in, let's actually put her to work and try to sell something. By the way, you can click here and not miss one thing about our videos on YouTube because I'm sharing my best advice to get amazing results when it comes to create content with AI tools. So now for this next part, let's create a mini ad for a fictional jewelry brand. We'll call it Aura. Now, your first instinct might be to just type the following: a woman wearing Aura earrings. But if you do that, you'll get a messy, unpredictable result like this. The AI is just guessing. Instead, you're going to use this following formula. First, you need your character image, and second, you need a clean photo of your product like this earring here. Then, you feed both images to Nano Banana and prompt it like this. The woman is now wearing these exact earrings, a close-up shot on her ear to showcase the product. And just look at that result. It's clean, accurate, and looks like a professional product photo. And this formula isn't just for fashion or things your character wears. You can create an entire lifestyle ad for almost any product. Let's try it with a can for a fictional energy drink. We'll call it Spark. You take your character image, a clean shot of the can, and prompt it like this. Place this can of Spark on the cafe table in front of her. The lighting should be natural, and the can should have realistic reflections. Instantly, you have a perfect lifestyle shot for drinks. Apply this prompt formulas for skincare, for tech gadgets, or anything you want. It's a total game changer. All right. This last formula is where you really get to have some fun and become the art director. We're going to take our Aura ad and make it a real campaign image. First, let's add some text. We'll prompt. Add the word Aura in a neon font on the brick wall behind her. And there it is, perfectly blended into the scene. We can also change the feel of the shot. You can add camera directions right into your prompt. Let's try low angle shot, lens. See how that changes the whole mood. So we've added elements and changed the camera, but you can also use this formula to modify what's already there. Let's say you want to change her shirt. You simply draw a rough mask over it like this, and then you prompt the change you want. Change the shirt to a blue and white striped pattern. And just like that, she has a completely new wardrobe without you having to regenerate the entire image. This is amazing for quickly testing different product styles. You're not just generating an image anymore, you're directing a photo shoot, and that's really it. 3 simple practical formulas to go from frustrating generations to professional level results with Nano Banana. We created a consistent character, we placed a product for our brand Aura, and we took full creative control over the final shot. I'd love to know which formula you're most excited to try out. Drop a comment below and let me know. Share this video to your friend who is struggling with AI image editing. They'll really thank you for doing so. Listen to this video if you want to get 100 times better creating content with AI tools. Thanks so much for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one.